All right, guys, how you doing? Man, it's your boy JT. If you don't mind, guys, subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, thumb down. Say something, comment. Guys, it helps the algorithm. It really does. And we got to remember what Ziegler said. You help enough people get what they want, you get what you want in the process. Now, listen, I'm telling you, I'm loving what we got here, man, with the BDM, Better Deal Than Money opportunity. Great opportunity, guys. As you can see, I've been talking about how we're going to promote this, right? We're going to promote it, guys, using Postcard. Listen, go back, or you just go below. Just do that. Go below, click on, put a link where you watch my video where I'm telling you how we doing this with Postcards, right? Then I got a link where you can watch the video about the company. Okay, I just wanted you guys to see what I'm doing. This is all I'm doing, man. I'm putting out about 1,000 of these this week. You know what I'm saying? I already got this one ready, So all I'm doing is taking my time. I got one hand, guys, one hand, right? And I'm telling you, this opportunity right here is designed to make all of us rich. Okay, that's why you need to go and watch that video that I got in the link. Click there, watch it too. Watch it after you get through watching it. It's designed to make all of us rich. And what is rich? Being a boundless supply. That's all that means, guys. Having enough money to live, give, and to pay your bills. When you go watch that video, you'll see what I'm talking about. And we're going to do it all through direct mail. You can do some posted online. You can do it with a funnel, whatever you want to. But direct mail is not dead. Guys, when they see this in the mail, you can see this. This is an eye catcher, man. I'm telling you, it's not that direct mail is dead. It's what we're sending to the person's mailbox, right? Because you put something in the person's mailbox, they're going to get their attention. And then when they go watch that video, telling you, they're going to see it, man. And they're going to join up under you. Watch the video below. Click below. Watch that video up under this video. Guys, it'll explain everything. It talks about the 1x2 matrix. It talks about the dual or stream matrix, etc., etc. It shows you how we all going to get paid. All of that. Man, listen, don't go to sleep on this one. Don't go to sleep on this one. Listen, I'm telling you, this is James Trust, man. I'll talk to you guys later. See you. Bye.